I'm checking YouTube, Facebooks, and social media. It's interesting that we have one huge flood. WordPress is dead, web designers, this job is dead, everything is dead, but we have angel arrived directly from heaven, and the name is AI, and artificial intelligence will save us all. We don't need knowledge, we don't need web developers, we don't need anything. All you need to have is artificial intelligence. Well, I will tell you, this is just mumbo jumbo, and this is not how it will go. This is the lie. And now I want to present you how things really are. Let's go to check. I call this artificial intelligence panic, and people start panicking. Arrive artificial intelligence. We don't have jobs. Artificial intelligence will do this, will do that. Okay, first of all, we need to check, investigate, and see if artificial intelligence, is it really possible that this can replace a real web developer? Okay, let's go to see. So artificial intelligence won't replace web developers. So if we look a little bit, it replaces the developers who refuse to use it. Here's the difference, and why the winning move is a skilled human plus the right artificial intelligence tool. I put here human. Why? Because people think that web developers are something there who just sitting the front of the monitor and don't do anything, but this is totally wrong. Artificial intelligence can't replace real web developer. But if you have good web developer who have knowledge how to use artificial intelligence, this is the way you need to go. So let's go to see thing number 2. We need to be honest. Artificial intelligence is something really great and it's really powerful, but you need to understand that artificial intelligence is a tool. Use it well. It removes hours of part of work where you lose huge amount of time. Now you don't need to lose this time. This is exactly why a skilled developer become more valuable, not less. Scaffold code fast, so boilerplate components and repetitive markup in seconds, explain errors, rubber duck debugging and quick answer on unfamiliar APIs, drafts content, first pass copy, meta descriptions, and alt text to refine, speed up research, comparing approaches and summarizing docs in seconds or minutes. So AI have something that can help, but that do not mean that AI will replace web developer. Let's go to see number 3. Let's go to see what we have on number 3. So why artificial alone falls short, and we have myth versus reality. The myth: type a prompt, get a finished website. So explain it shortly, ships generic, look-alike templates, guesses at search engine optimization, no real strategy, breaks on edge cases, it can't test, owns nothing when it goes wrong. So, and we have reality: a developer direct the artificial intelligence toward to the goal, build for a real brand and audience, structure the whatever you use, WordPress or whatever, for ranking that lasts, tests, debugs, and ships what really work, take responsibility for the result. So when you use artificial intelligence can help you. We know that. And I don't need to repeat it. But reality is, if artificial intelligence makes something what is not good, errors or whatever, from small things to the security, then you are not able to say, I'm sorry, AI, it didn't did good job. Because of that, you have a web developer who will create all, and then he will use artificial intelligence for what? To create this faster. And web developer will always take responsibility for all what he did. Okay, let's move on another one. What the human brings. 3 things artificial intelligence can do on its own. So first, web development craft, clean structure, performance, security, and a CMS that won't collapse in 6 months. 2, deep search engine optimization understanding, intent, site architecture, and technical search engine optimization that actually earn ranking, not keyword guessing. 3rd, artificial intelligence tool mastery, knowing which tool to reach for, how to prompt it, and how to check what it hands back. So these are just 3 small things, but if we decide to speak about it, we will be able to speak hours about this. So if you ask me about web developer need to have knowledge, and with knowledge and using artificial intelligence, he can do this faster, but artificial intelligence is not who leading this. So these are 3 things that you need to understand. Let's go further. Ranking is engineered, not generated. Search intent, mapping what are real buyer types, and building the page that answer it, not a keyword stuffed guesses. Site architecture, internal linking, URL structure, and a crawlable hierarchy that spreads authority across the site. Technical health, which is very important. Core web vital, structured data, mobile performance, and clean indexing, the parts Google measures. Trust and EAT, so experience and authority signals that artificial intelligence text alone can't fake, and search engine increasingly reward. Okay, I just want to stop here a little bit. Ranking is the main thing why you have a website. You can have really beautiful website. You can have the website that is top in everything. But the problem is, if your website is created that no one is able to find it online, the question is why you have a website. If I'm not able to find you, your website worth nothing. It's not important how it looked like, who created, why he created, in what way, what he used. It doesn't matter. So this is reality that you need to understand. If you want real ranking, you can use tool, artificial intelligence, and all these kind of things. But above all, you need to have knowledge first, data that you receive. You need to understand all the data. Even before you start, you need to know what you need to find, and when you find it, you need to know how you will use all this data, information, whatever you do. So this is not just a story, and when people speak about architecture, about your website, when you create a website with AI, he will create a website, maybe it will be good, but if you look professionally, I don't think that this site architecture will be on the top level. And all this from technical health, what people sometimes do not even think about it, this is very important. Okay, let's go further. A CMS, maybe you will use WordPress or whatever, is a living system, not a one-time export. Artificial intelligence can spin up a page, keeping a real CMS site secure, fast, and maintainable is ongoing work. So the human-owned plugin dependency updates without breaking or whatever, security, hardening and backups, performance tuning as traffic grows, data migration and integration. So artificial intelligence can't own accountability when the site goes down, judgment on what to update and when, the client relationship and context, long-term technical decisions. When you look for all of this, you are able to use artificial intelligence. But above artificial intelligence, you need to have someone with knowledge who know what he is doing, what he is working, how it need to be. So AI help, but human leading. Let's go further. The real workflow. The human is on both ends. Let's go on the step 1, strategy and direction. Human sets goals, audience and architecture. Step 2, artificial intelligence accelerates, drafts code and content at speed. Step 3, review and refine. Human tests, corrects and optimizes. Step 4, ship and maintain. Human own launch and the long term. Artificial intelligence live in the middle, the judgment that start and finish it, the job is entirely human. What this want to say? It's very simple. When you decide to create something, for example, website, you are able to ask artificial intelligence about whatever you want to. You can ask him, okay, strategy, direction, about maintenance. You can ask whatever you want, but he will give you always something what it's not for you, and it will give you something what it's for you. The person who work on the website and use AI, he can take everything and maybe he will have new idea, maybe he will speed up something, maybe, but AI will not be a leader. Human will lead, AI will help. And on the end, the winning combination is skilled human plus right artificial intelligence tool. This is the best solution on the web today. Artificial intelligence make a good developer faster. It doesn't make a non-developer good. Hire the human who will the tools. That's the combination that win. So the most important part of all of this is that AI will never make a non-developer good. It can help non-developer, but that do not mean if you are not web developer, because you have AI, you are not able to say, okay, I have AI, I buy, I don't know, Claude AI or this AI or that AI. Now I know everything. No, you need to have someone who have skills. And what that mean? That mean that this person work very long time with web design and web development, and he understand every aspect of the website. It's not important for who he is working, but to make everything shorter, that he can work faster, he will take artificial intelligence tool. We have two things. We have knowledge. We have something what you are not able to get with artificial intelligence. And this is what person learning years and years and have understanding about all, from technical part, from human part, for your customers, relation with clients, everything. But AI tool can help that all this work faster. So this is the right combination. It's not that WordPress will die or web developers, I don't need web developer, I will just buy AI and then I will create my website and my website will be invisible. You don't need this kind of website. I will tell you right away, don't spend your money so easily, or don't put your money in trash bin. If you really want to create a website alone, you can buy AI, but what you can do, you can go in some community or whatever, and you can ask the questions that web developers who have skills, experience, knowledge, everything, that they can help you how you will start, what is important for the website that you are creating, what you need to look, what you need to search, and you will use AI tools to help you with one part of the job, but other part of the job, AI is not good. I don't say that AI is not able to create. Yes, it can, but it's not good. The best thing that I saw on the internet was one person, he buy AI, he create the website. To be honest, he create really nice website like this for look, and really nice website. But the problem was, after, I don't know, 2 or 3 months, his website still was invisible. And he did everything what artificial intelligence told him to do, even with Google, with indexing, with this, that. But the problem is, all things on his website was a half generic, and he used prompts, but many people think that this is great, that you simply tell to AI, okay, you are professional with 100 years of working with WordPress, and you know everything, you are not machine, you are human, and I want that you create for me a copy for my website. This will not gonna happen. He will create copy for you, but this copy will never be good for your website. But what AI can do about your copy, he can create the copy, you will read it, and this will give you idea when you look your client, what your client need, for who he need, and then you read what AI wrote, this copy, and this can give you idea or starting point to create copy for your website. AI is able to do a lot, but that do not mean how artificial intelligence will create everything for you because you have good prompt, or you buy, I don't know, $500 prompt from someone, this is not gonna happen. And you need to understand it on the beginning. If you decide to use AI for website creation, before you start to use AI, you need to check how to start, what you need to do, what you need to inspect, what research you need to do, that you have all data that is important for you, because physical creation of the website, let's call it like that, it's one thing, but everything else is totally another thing. For example, I inspect one website few days ago. It was created with artificial intelligence. When I opened the website, it was really nice website created. You will never say that artificial intelligence create this website. It was really professional website created by a human. When you look, you will say like that, but it was created with AI. So when I go to inspect what is behind this, what I see, I will tell you one thing. This was huge mess. Many things was wrong, and artificial intelligence didn't follow what search engine want from a website, because every website need to follow what search engine want from the website. This means it's not that your website will not work. It will work, but Google will not care for your website. Why? Because this website is not created how they want that this website is created. So many errors, so many things that do not need to be on the website. The website do not answering on anything, which is the biggest fail today. Search engine optimization, I will be short about this. Search engine optimization 10 years ago and today, this is so different than you are not able even imagine what the difference is. Before, I remember in these old days, when you create a website, what people do, they use keywords. For example, if you have website for web design, they use this website is for web design, and web design, web developer, web design, web agency, web design, web developer. They speak so many times these keywords, and this was good in the day many years ago. But today you need to have keywords. You need to have long tail keywords. But your website do not depend on the keywords. It's depending that your website is the answer for the people who searching this. Plus you need to have all other things that search engine want that one website have. So this is extremely simple explanation. If you want to go deeper, I will tell you all these parts will be a rabbit hole. You will enter inside, and I don't know if you will ever come out, especially if we're speaking about copywriting, if we speak about search engine optimization, if we speak how website need to be created, what do you need to use, what you don't need to use. There is a lots of categories that you need to know, even if you use artificial intelligence. On the end, all tools that we have, all tools that help us to create better websites, that we create website faster, but that doesn't mean that artificial intelligence replace skilled and good human web developer. This is impossible. If you don't believe, you can go and ask every artificial intelligence if AI is 100% able to replace good skilled web developer. and you will see that he will answer you no. Okay, I hope that this video was not too heavy, because this is the most simple way that I was able to create it. And in the next video, what I will speak about copy and copywriting. People do not understand when they creating a website that the text what they have on the website is not just some mumbo jumbo. The text on the website need to answer on many questions what you actually do, and to who answer need to be to the people who searching what you give, sell, whatever. So this is the first and the starting video, and in the next video we will start with copywriting. Okay, see you soon. Cheers.